Every year, the Nokia Lumia 500 series wows us. This year is no different. The legacy continues, and here is the Nokia Lumia 530 dual SIM. So let's unbox it. So here is the phone's box. It has a Snapdragon 200 1.2 GHz quad-core processor, 4 GB of internal memory, 128 GB of expandable memory, and an Adreno 302 graphics. And this phone is running the Windows Phone 8.1 update. I'm not talking about the GTR1 update, but the Windows Phone 8.1 with the Lumia Cyan update. And so the box contents, as listed on the back, are the phone itself, the battery, the power brick, the headphones, and user manual. So I have seen some videos online where in the foreign countries headphones are not provided, but in India headphones are provided. So let's keep the boring talk aside and let's dig into the box and do the first startup of this phone itself. So let's cut through the seal first. So the seal is cut and let's take it out. Wow. We have the Lumia 530 at the top. Let's keep it aside and let's see what else we have got. So here is the battery, and it's a 1430 mAh battery, as you can see. Some manuals. So this is the quick start guide, I believe, and yes, it's the quick start guide. And there is again a quick guide. So this must be the user manual, and this side there is the power brick, and it's a lot smaller than the earlier power bricks that we have got with the Lumia 520 and every other Nokia phone. And here are the headphones. So pretty normal stuff. These are the standard headphones that are provided with Nokia devices. So let's keep all this aside and let's do the first startup of the phone. So here's the phone. Let's keep the battery aside. I have the phone in black color, and let's do a hardware rundown. So here's the 5 megapixel autofocus camera, the Nokia branding, the speakerphone. It has a matte back, so it's a matte finish back. At the side we have the volume rockers, the power on off and the lock switch. At the top we have the 3.5mm headphone jack. There is the 4 inches of touchscreen, and the capacitive buttons are not present, they are inbuilt into the display. And down here we have a microphone pin hole, and at the down we have the micro USB charging port and data syncing port. So nothing much, and here are some instructions how to open the back. So let me open it and put in the battery. So it comes out easily, and here as you can see it's the SIM 2 slot, the SIM 1 slot. This I believe is the memory card slot, and here's the battery cavity. So let me put in the battery, but before that I will install a memory card also. That's a 32 GB memory card I just bought. Let me cut it and install it. So here I have the memory card, so let me install it. So I installed the memory card. Let's now put in the battery and power on the device. And it's powering on. So now the phone is at the startup page. Let me continue. Same error. Okay, let's start. Accept. So now I will sign in to my Microsoft account and come back. So now the phone is installing some apps, and I had to plug it to the charger because the charge means the battery was dying out pretty quick. It was critically low on battery. You know, it's charging and it's installing the apps. And it's there. We have the Lumia 530 started, and it has detected our SD card. Okay, and I really like this device due to the fact it's a quad-core processor, and it has a pretty good design. Almost every Lumia 500 series device has pretty good build quality, and here it's no different. And we get an SMS from Windows Phone. So let me show you the dialer. Okay, so here is the dialer, and we have nothing much that we can show you. Here is the music app. We will have to update it to get the transparent tile and everything. And let me show you if the phone is really running the cyan update. And here you can see it's the Lumia cyan update, and we have nothing much that we can show you right now. We will set the device up and then make a video, the full review video. I will also make a benchmarking video on this phone. You probably are thinking, what the heck he's talking about? There is no benchmarking on Windows Phone, but no, it's there. We'll make it. A gaming video will come, and much more. So stay tuned on TechGlance. This was Swapnil from TechGlance. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please comment your thoughts below and subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day.